Hey guys, it's me. Can you see me? Anyway, hey, I just got something new. You know, I've been doing a lot of wiring on the house. They've been doing a lot of stuff on the house. I'm going to be needing to hook up cameras and stuff and all kinds of security stuff, cables, everything. I don't know when I'm going to put this video on here. I may sneak it on. I don't know when. But I ordered this. And you know, you order stuff off the internet and you don't know what you're going to get. Half the time it's made in a country that has no, they don't care what they make. But I ordered this, and it's a high spec, what do they call it? I know what I'm going to use it for, but they call it that. You see that? They call it a network cable testing and wiring toolkit set. Now, I picked it up off of Amazon for about 30 bucks. I thought, and I knew I was going to need something, and I thought, well, like, yeah, it's gonna, who knows what it'll be like. Well, guess what? This is the case that comes with it, and I am amazed at the quality in this little gadget. Yep. Yeah. If you're not unhappy with it, well, if I could pick it up. If you're unhappy with it, they send you a little thing. You can just text right there, and they'll help you out. But I don't see nothing to be wrong with it. I've taken some of this stuff out, and let's see if I can get that in there for you guys. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Trying to get this in. Oh, come on, I know how to do that. Let's see. I know how to do that. There we go. And there. Okay. Trying to look up there and do this backwards ain't easy. Anyway, it's got all the stuff. This is for testing your, finding out where all them wires are going to go. Stick this on one end, then you go to the other end and start hitting the buttons, the cables, and see until you get a signal. Then you know that's the cable that goes wherever it goes to, you know. And you got strippers here for, you got, let's see what it says it's got. I know what they're for. This is for like your telephone wire and your Ethernet. It goes right in there. You can crimp them down. You can trim them down. It's got cable trimmers. That's for your, I think that one is for, let's see what that one's for. Okay, here's what we got here. We got a network cable tester. Just told you about that. You got the Phillips screwdriver, regular screwdriver. Yep. You got some ends for the different Ethernet or telephone. You got crimping and splicing tools. Which one is that? Number 9. Crimping and number 9 is, oh, that's that one. I knew that. Okay, that one will also strip and do it. And then this one here is for, this one is for, I know what they do. This one pushes your cable down, like if you got the end of your Cat 5 wires and you're hooking it into a switch, so you can split it up and all that. This pushes the wire down in there. And I think that one does it too, it looks like. But this is for a cable stripper. I'm impressed with this little unit here, guys. If you're looking for one, I'm not getting no kickback or nothing on this, but I'm impressed with the quality. This is metal. This ain't plastic. That one might be. This one might be plastic, but these are metal. So I'm impressed. I think you guys would be too if you're needing a testing kit. So I just want to throw this on here. I'm pleased. And that's all that matters, as long as I'm happy. The name of the unit is, like I said, it's high spec. You can look it up on the old Amazon there. I'm not affiliated, so I'm not going to be able to. I might be able to put a link on there. I lost my zipper. There it is. Okay, yeah, it's high spec. Is what it's called. Nice carrying case. I mean, you don't need these very often, but when you do, that scared me. That scared me, Vicki.
So when your day here weather, dear.
Windy day. The wind just shut my door real fast. We're down in Yuma, so I don't know if we'll be in Idaho when I put this on or not, because we've only got days down here before we're out of here. We're really liking the way the house is looking, and I really appreciate the guys that are putting the pictures on. But if you're looking for one of these, when you need it, you'll have it. You'll be able to do it right. Check that out. High spec cable kit, wiring thing. You've seen the deal. That's it, guys. That's all I got for you. Bye. Oh, subscribe, follow. You know all them other things, like these little signs that are popping up right here now. See them little balloons? Is that what they call it? But subscribe, guys. Thanks for following me.